Hello students. So in the last video we have seen that we have actually done the derivation of four equations of motion. Yes or no? The first equation was पहला क्या था? V equal to U plus AT. The second was S equal to UT plus half AT square. Third was V square minus U square equal to twice AS. And the fourth one was Sn equal to U plus A by 2 twice n minus 1. Now आज हम लोग क्या करेंगे? Using that four formulas or based on that four formulas we will see some numericals and we are gonna solve them. Okay? So please do follow the video till the end, पूरा अंत तक देखना, because I will be discussing some simple to a little bit of hard question. Okay? ज़्यादा नहीं, little bit hard. So let us see. This is a simple question. First question: a car accelerates on a straight road from rest. So now whenever you read the question, जब भी question पढ़ोगे, then वहां से given data निकाल लो. Whatever the given things are there, try to sort it out first. Okay? A car accelerates on a straight road from rest. So here it starts from rest. अगर rest से शुरू होगा, what will be the initial velocity? 0. To a speed of 180 km per hour. That means what is the final velocity? 180 km per hour. Now, kilometer per hour we have to convert it into meter per second. इसको meter per second में लेना होगा. Okay? So, whenever we convert something, okay, from kilometer per hour to meter per second, we can multiply by 5 by 18. Actually, it is better to multiply. Kilometer means 1000 meter and 1 hour means 60 minutes. So it will be, 60 into 60 minute second. So actually वैसा ही लिखना चाहिए, लेकिन अगर 1000 और 3600 को cancel करोगे तो 5 by 18 आता है. You will get 5 by 18. That means for kilometer you write 1000. For hour to second, you write 60 into 60. And if you cancel this one, you get this one. So it is better to write this one, or you can write directly 5 by 18. Okay? So if we cancel this one, we will get 10. So we will get here 5 10 ja 50 meter per second. Again I will say, here I have directly written 5 by 18. In exam it is better if you write 1000 divided by 60 into 60. Okay? Assuming acceleration to be uniform, find the distance traveled in this time. Now what is the time given? Time कितना दिया हुआ है? 25 second. T equal to 25 second. We have to find distance S. Now distance के लिए देखो, we have two formula to find distance. Yes or no? One is S equal to UT plus half AT square, and the second one is V square minus U square equal to twice AS. Now in both the formula we need acceleration, and यहाँ पे acceleration दिया हुआ है? No, we don't have acceleration. So पहले हम लोगों को acceleration निकालना होगा. So we will find acceleration first. We know that V equals to U plus AT. So what will be A? V minus U divided by T. Yes or no? V minus U divided by T. What is V? 50 minus 0 divided by what is T? 25. So what will be the acceleration? 2 meter per second square. So acceleration we have got how much? कितना मिला? 2 meter per second square. So now we have to find the distance traveled. So therefore distance traveled S equals to UT plus half AT square. U कितना था? 0. So this one will become 0. Half A 2 T square, that means 25 square. So this one and this one cancel. What is 25 square? 625. So your answer will be 625 meters. Okay. Okay. So what will be the distance traveled in 25 seconds? 625 meters. Now here let me teach you something. यहाँ पे देखो I have written 25 square 625. Okay. ये हो गया, आंसर कंप्लीटेड. You know what is 5 square? 25. You know what is 15 square? 225. I wrote, मैंने लिखा 25 स्क्वायर कितना होता है? 625. So जब भी कोई भी नंबर 2 डिजिट नंबर ओके जिसका लास्ट में 5 है उसका होल स्क्वायर करोगे लाइक 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85 अप टू 95. उसके बाद का नहीं, सिर्फ इतना तक के लिए. तो उसका ट्रिक क्या है? 5 का स्क्वायर वो हमेशा कितना आएगा? 25. यहाँ पे 1 का नेक्स्ट नंबर क्या है? 2. 1 इंटू 2 225. यहाँ पे देखो 25 स्क्वायर 5 स्क्वायर इज ऑलवेज 25. What is the next number of 2? 3. So 3 2 is 6. So it will become 625. So if we find 45 square, 5 5 is 25. What is the next number of 4? 5. 4 5 is 20. So 45 square is 2025. Similarly, if I say 75 whole square, 5 5 is 25. What is the next number of 7? 7 is 56. So 5625. So in this way you can find 2 digit up to 95 whole square starting from 15 square. Okay. So ये हो गया पहला आंसर. Okay. Next question. A jet plane starts from rest with acceleration of 3 meter per second square and makes a run for 35 seconds before taking off. What is the minimum length of the runway and final velocity of takeoff? That means हम लोगों ने देखा ना जो प्लेन एरोप्लेन इट मेक्स ए रन टेक ऑफ करने से पहले थोड़ा चलता है कि नहीं? सो सपोज ये वो जगह है ओके वेयर द एरोप्लेन विल रन बिफोर टेकिंग ऑफ. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड रनवे. नाउ हियर ए जेट प्लेन स्टार्ट्स and before taking off the jet plane makes a run and then it takes off. So we have to find what is the minimum length. Maximum कुछ भी हो सकता है. Maximum length suppose you are running at a road, एक रास्ते पे दौड़ रहे हो, वो रास्ते का maximum length कुछ भी हो सकता है, लेकिन तुमने जितना दौड़ के कवर किया the distance that you have covered that one is the minimum length. उतना तो रास्ते का लेंथ है ही. So similarly, the plane makes a run and that is the minimum length. So you have to find the minimum length. And ये उड़ने से पहले before taking off, what was the final velocity? So again, first let us see what are the things given. So again, plane starts from rest. So what is initial velocity? 0 meter per second. Acceleration is given how much? 3 meter per second square. Makes a run for 35 seconds. So time is given 35 seconds. Now we have to find the minimum length and the final velocity. So we have u a t square. So therefore we know that now minimum length means what? Distance. So we know that s equal to ut plus half at square. So u is 0, so s equal to half into what is a? 3 into t square, 35 square. So see again we got this kind of number. So यहाँ पे कितना होगा? half into 3 into 35 square मतलब 525. 3 का next number 4, so 4 3 is 12. 1225. Yes or no? So s equal to 1225 into 3 मतलब 1200 into 3 हो गया 3600 or 25 is 75. So 3600 3675 divided by 2. So if you divide it by 2 you will get 1 8 2 3 is 6 3 7.5 meter. So what is the minimum length of the runway? 1837.5 मीटर, दैट मीन्स 1837.5 मीटर। तो ये हो गया पहला पार्ट का आंसर, द आंसर ऑफ द फर्स्ट पार्ट। नाउ सेकेंड पार्ट भी निकालना है, वी हैव टू फाइंड द फाइनल वेलोसिटी। सो फाइनल वेलोसिटी, we can use this formula, v equals to u plus at. What is v? We have to find. What is u? 0. A कितना था? 3. What is t? 35. So what will be v? 95. 105 meter per second. So distance or minimum length 1837.5 meter, velocity 105 meter per second. Okay, clear? Okay, next question देखो. On a foggy day, two drivers spot each other when they are 80 meter apart. They are traveling at 72 km per hour and 60 km per hour. Both applied brakes retarding at 5 meter per second square. Check if they will collide or not. मतलब, what does the question say? That on a foggy day, here there is a car. Okay, 80 meter. Okay, and here there is another car. Now, दोनों कार कितने दूर है? They are 80 meter apart. Now, fog के वजह से दोनों ड्राइवर एक दूसरे को देख नहीं पा रहे. They can't see each other because of the fog. So both of them are approaching each other. Now, when they spotted, जब दोनों को दिखाई दिया अरे गाड़ी आ रहा है. So what happened? दोनों ने क्या किया? They applied brake. But एक चीज मालूम होगा, ब्रेक मारने के साथ साथ गाड़ी रुक नहीं जाता है. When you apply brake, the car does not stop at that moment. Before stopping also it will cover some distance. So you have to find that after applying brake, these two car will collide. That means whether accident will take place या फिर accident नहीं होगा. बहुत सिंपल है, थोड़ा घुमा के दिया है क्वेश्चन. If the distance traveled by this car and the distance traveled by this car is 80 or more than 80, they will collide. अगर मैं और एक लड़का 10 मीटर दूर है, वो 4 चल के आएगा, मैं 6 चल के जाऊंगा, 10 हो गया, we will collide. लेकिन वो 3 चल के आएगा, मैं 4 चल के जाऊंगा, 7. So still there is a gap of 3, so we will not collide. So अगर दोनों गाड़ी का डिस्टेंस कवर्ड is either equal or greater than 80, greater than के तो बात ही नहीं आता, it will collide ना, is equal to 80, then they will collide. If it is less than 80, they will not collide. Question clear है? So यहाँ पे देखो, retarding मतलब when you accelerate, velocity increases, acceleration. When you apply brake, the car will slow down, retardation. So how do we write retardation? We give a minus sign. Okay? So 2 cars are given. So for first car, what is the initial velocity of the first car? It is given, question में दिया हुआ है 72 किलोमीटर पर आवर. Convert it into meter. मैं फिर से बोलूंगा, रफ में 5/18 से कर लेना, but during the exam try to write 1000 and 60 into 60. Okay, so 72 into 5/18. So 18 4s are 72, 5 4s are 20. So it is 20 meter per second. Initial velocity of the first car 20 meter per second. Acceleration minus 5 meter per second square. Apply brake. So finally the car will stop. So what will be the final velocity? 0 meter per second. So therefore, distance covered, we know that v square minus u square equal to twice as. I have written s1. What is v? 0 square. What is u? 20 square. 20 square कितना होगा? 400. 2 into what is A? Minus 5 into S1. So minus cancel. 5 to the 10. That means 1 0 cancel. So what will be the distance S1? 40 meter. That means the distance covered by the first car is how much? 40 meter. For second car, what is the initial velocity given? 60 km per hour. That means 60 into 5 by 18. So how much we will get? If we cancel it by 60, this one will be 6 3, this one will be 6 10. So we will get 5 10, that means 50 by 3. Okay, meter per second. Acceleration same, retardation same, minus 5 meter per second square. This car will also stop, ये भी रुक जाएगा. So final velocity कितना होगा? 0 meter per second. So again same formula apply करो. We know that same formula, v square minus u square equal to twice a s2. यहाँ पे distance I have taken s2. So v square 0 square minus u square मतलब 50 by 3 square. तो 50 square हो जाएगा 520 500 divided by 3 square हो गया 9 equal to 2 into minus 5 into s2. So this minus cancel. 5 to the 10, 1 0 cancel हो जाएगा. So what will be s2? 250 by 9. Yes or no? So if we divide 250 by 9, then we will get approximately 27.8 meter. 27.8 meter. So what is the distance traveled by the first car? 40. What is the distance traveled by the second car? 27.8 meter. So total distance covered equals to 40 plus 27.8, that is 67.8 meter. Now both the car after applying brake, they will cover a distance of 67.8. So ये 80 मीटर से ज्यादा है या कम है? कम है, मतलब दोनों कार के बीच में गैप रह जाएगा. That means they will not collide. So no collision will occur. Clear? देख लो एक बार. ओके, नेक्स्ट देखो. नाउ ये क्वेश्चन में क्या है मालूम है? इसमें हम लोग का एस nth फॉर्मूला यूज करना है. वी हैव टू यूज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ एस nth. नाउ इफ यू अंडरस्टैंड वन प्रोसीडियर, एनी टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन ऑफ दिस काइंड यू कैन इजीली सॉल्व. जस्ट प्रोसीडियर समझ लो. ओके, ए बॉडी कवर्स 20 मीटर इन द 7th second and 24 meter in the 9th second. How much shall it cover in the 15th second? A body 7th second में कितना जाता है? 20 मीटर. 9th second में कितना जाता है? 24 मीटर. 15th second में कितना जाएगा? ओके, नाउ फॉर्मूला याद है. S nth equal to u plus a by 2 twice n minus 1. If S nth twice n, so S 7th n equal to क्या हो जाएगा? 7. S 9th n equal to क्या हो जाएगा? 9. S 15 n equal to क्या होगा? 15. जो S का नीचे जो सबस्क्रिप्ट होता है वही n का वैल्यू होता है कि नहीं? So a body covers 20 meter in the 7th second. So S 7, what will be the formula? U plus a by 2 twice n minus 1. What is the distance covered in? Covered in S7, 20 meter. So 20 equals to u plus a by 2. n कितना होगा? 7. So 2 into 7, 14. 14 minus 1, 13. So this is equation number 1. And the body covers 24 meter in the 9th second. So S9 equals to u plus a by 2 twice n minus 1. So S90 is given 24. 24 equals to U plus A by 2. 2 into 9, 18 minus 1, 17. Equation number 2. Now what can we do here? To cancel out U, we can minus it. So equation 2 minus 1. Equation 2 कितना मिला? 24 equals to U plus 17A by 2. और इक्वेशन 1 क्या मिला? 20 equals to U plus 13A by 2. So दोनों को माइनस करोगे तो U कैंसिल. 24 minus 20 कितना मिलेगा? 4 equals to 17A minus 13A. That means you will get 4A by 2. Yes or no? अच्छे से देखो. 17 minus 13, 4A. So you can cancel this 4. यहाँ पे क्या बचा? 1. So what will be A? A will be equal to 2 meter per second square. So हम लोग को मेनली दो इक्वेशन सॉल्व करके क्या निकालना था? A का वैल्यू. ओके? कॉपीड हो गया? मैं रफ कर रहा हूं. ओके? So we have find the value of A to be 2 meter per second square, and we have to find S15. So therefore, distance travel in the 15th second, S15 will be how much? U plus A by 2. अच्छा, okay. Now we have find the value of A, but we need the value of U, ना? Sorry. So एक काम करो, कोई भी इक्वेशन में A का वैल्यू पुट कर दो. से इक्वेशन नंबर 1. तो इक्वेशन 1 क्या था? 20 equals to U plus 13A by 2. So we will get 20 equals to U plus, what is the value of A? 2. 13 into 2 by 2. So 2 cancel. So what will be U? 20 minus 13, 7 meter per second. So therefore, by solving the equation, we got U equal to 7 meter per second, A equals to 2 meter per second square. So therefore, distance traveled in the 15th second, S15 equals to U plus A by 2 twice n minus 1. What is U? 7 plus 2 by 2. 2 into n will be now 15. Minus 1, 2 cancel, 15 to the 30, 30 minus 1, 29, 7 plus 29. So what will be your answer? 36 meter. Solve. Clear? देख लो आराम से. क्या करना है? दो इक्वेशन बनाना है, दोनों इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करना है, U का वैल्यू निकालना है, A का वैल्यू निकालना है, फिर S15 निकालो, 19 निकालो, 20 निकालो, 100 निकालो, कुछ भी निकालो. You can easily find out your answer. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखो. ए बुलेट ट्रेवलिंग एट 16 मीटर पर सेकेंड पेनिट्रेट्स ए ट्री ट्रंक एंड कम्स टू रेस्ट इन 0.4 मीटर. फाइंड द टाइम टेकन. एक बुलेट जा रहा है, वो बाइक वाला बुलेट नहीं, ये गोली वाला. ओके? सो एक बुलेट जा रहा है कितना स्पीड से? 16 मीटर पर सेकेंड से. तो बुलेट जा रहा है 16. जब वो पेड़ के साथ टकराएगा, व्हेन इट विल स्ट्राइक द ट्री, इनिशियल वेलोसिटी सेम 16 मीटर पर सेकेंड. आफ्टर स्ट्राइकिंग द ट्री इट विल स्लो डाउन, स्लो होता जाएगा. कितना ट्रेवल करेगा? 0.4 मीटर. इट विल ट्रेवल 0.4 मीटर एंड फाइनली कम टू रेस्ट. वी हैव टू फाइंड द टाइम टेकन. सो व्हाट इज द इनिशियल वेलोसिटी? U 16 मीटर पर सेकेंड. व्हाट विल बी द फाइनल वेलोसिटी? द बुलेट विल स्टॉप. यस और नो? फाइनली स्टॉप हो जाएगा 0 मीटर पर सेकेंड. कितना दूर जाके स्टॉप होगा? डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल S इक्वल टू 0.4 मीटर. व्हाट वी हैव टू फाइंड? T. So if we use V equal to U plus AT, S is given, so we can use. So we know that first let us find, because to find this time निकालने के लिए either we can use V equal to U plus AT और S equal to UT plus half AT square. दोनों में हम लोग को एक्सेलरेशन चाहिए. So first let us find acceleration. So V square minus U square equal to twice AS. 0 square minus 16 square equal to 2 into a into 0.4. So this one will become a equal to minus 16 square divided by 0.8. देखो here the bullet is slowing down, slow हो रहा है, तो acceleration negative में आ रहा है because it is retardation. So if you cancel this one, you will get minus 320 meter per second square. So this is the retardation. Now we have to find time. So therefore, time taken v equals to u plus at. So v is 0, u 16 plus a is minus 320 into t. So t, this one will come as minus 16 equal to minus 320 t. Minus minus cancel. T will be 16 divided by 320. You will get t equal to 0.05 second. So this will be your answer. Check कर लो एक बार. Okay, next question देखो. If x, y, z are the distances, x, y, z क्या है? Are the distances of a particle during pth, qth and rth second. जैसे s क्या होता है? Distance during the nth second. वैसे ही यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है, it is given that x, y, z are distances of a particle during the pth, qth and rth second. Then show that q minus r into x plus r minus p into y plus p minus q into z is equal to 0. So here we have to actually prove something, we have to show something. Okay, so मैं ये रफ कर दे रहा हूं. Now, we know this formula, Sn equals to u plus a by 2 twice n minus 1. By using this formula, can I write, therefore, distance क्या था? x. So, x equal to u plus a by 2. When the distance was x, what was the time given? Pth. So, a by 2 twice p minus 1. Equation number 1. Similarly, y equals to u plus a by 2 twice q minus 1. Equation number 2. And what will be z? During when the distance was z, time क्या था? rth. So u plus a by 2 twice r minus 1. Equation number 3. Okay, so we have three equations, equation 1, 2 and 3 using the formula Sn. Now 3 minus 2 कर दो. Okay, equation 3 से equation 2 minus कर दो. Now equation 3 minus 2, what we will get? Z minus x equals to, on this side we have u plus a by 2 twice r minus 1 minus u, this total is minus, yes or no? Sorry, z minus y, 3 minus 2 na? So this total is minus, so this one will also become minus, plus minus, also this one will become minus. So minus u minus a by 2 twice q minus 1. मैं ये रफ कर देता हूं. So how much you will get? Therefore z minus y equals to u cancel. Here what is left? A by 2 twice r minus 1 minus a by 2 twice q minus 1. Yes or no? Now if we take here a by 2 कॉमन, ओके, मैंने यहाँ पे a by 2 कॉमन ले लिया, तो ब्रैकेट में क्या बचा? ट्वाइस r माइनस 1, और यहां क्या बचा? माइनस ट्वाइस q माइनस 1. यस और नो? सो Let me rub this one. Z minus y equals to a by 2 twice r minus 1 minus twice q minus minus plus 1. So minus 1 plus 1 cancel. So z minus y equals to, what can we do here? We can take a by 2 and 2 common. If we take 2 common, 2r minus q. So this 2 cancel. So can I write therefore r minus q equals to z minus y divided by a. Mark this one as equation number 4. Okay, कॉपी कर लो यहां तक फटाफट. नहीं तो इसको एक काम कर दो, इसको इक्वेशन नंबर 4 मत दो. एज पर द गिवन इक्वेशन इंटरचेंज दिस वन. सो कैन आई राइट r माइनस क्यू एज q माइनस r. मैंने इंटरचेंज कर दिया तो यहाँ पे भी इंटरचेंज हो जाएगा. दिस वन विल बिकम 1 y माइनस z बाई a. जस्ट आई हैव चेंज द प्लेस, सो वी कैन चेंज हियर आल्सो. नाउ मार्क दिस वन एज इक्वेशन नंबर 4. In place of r minus q, I have written q minus r. So z minus y, I have made y minus z. Okay. So remember what we have got in equation number 4. Now, last time we have minus 3 minus 2. Now equation 3 minus equation 1. So what was equation 3? Z. Equation 1 x. Here we have got u plus a by 2 twice r minus 1 minus u plus a by 2 twice p minus 1. Yes or no? So z minus x, we will get u plus a by 2 twice r minus 1 minus u minus a by 2 twice p minus 1. So minus u plus u cancel. We got z minus x equals to, what can we do here? We can take a by 2 common. So here we will have twice r minus 1 and here is left minus. So directly we can write minus 2p minus minus plus 1. So again minus 1 plus 1 cancel. Z minus x. Here again a by 2 into, we can take 2 common, so it will be r minus p. So 2 cancel. So we will get r minus p equals to z minus x by a. Just similar like the before one only. So mark this one as equation number, the last one was 4. So ये वाला हो गया equation 5. So we have find r minus p also. Okay. Let me rub this one. Now let us find the last term according to what we have to prove, that is p minus q. So p minus q means I can write equation number 1 minus 3. Sorry, no, pqr. So 1 minus 2. So what was 1? X minus what was 2? Y. X minus y. Here you will get u plus a by 2 twice p minus 1 minus u plus a by 2 twice q minus 1. Yes or no? PQR, huh? So x minus y, u plus a by 2 twice p minus 1 minus u minus a by 2 twice q minus 1. So minus u plus u cancel. X minus y, we can take again a by 2 common. I will do direct. Twice p minus 1 minus, it will become minus twice q minus minus plus 1. So plus 1 minus 1 cancel. X minus 1 y equal to a by 2, 2 common. P minus q, 2 cancel. So x minus y by a equals to p minus q. Equation number 6. So we have also got the value of p minus q. Now we just need to substitute the value. सो जो हम लोग को प्रूफ करना था वो क्या था? Therefore, we have to prove that q minus r into x minus r minus p into y minus p minus q into z. Now this is equal to 0. So what we will do here, we will just put on the values that we have found now. Sorry, this was plus ना, ये वाला plus था. ओके, सो वैल्यू पुट करो. q माइनस आर का वैल्यू क्या मिला था? q. सो q था मेरा p q r x y z. तो ये था y माइनस z बाई a. एक बार चेक कर लो अपना. इंटू x प्लस ये हो गया z माइनस x बाई a इंटू y प्लस p q मतलब x y. x माइनस y बाई a into z. यही था आई गेस. यस और नो? एक बार अच्छे से चेक कर लेना. So now if we take LCM, what will be the LCM? A, and if we multiply this one, we will get xy minus xz plus zy minus xy plus xz minus yz. So we can see xy plus xy minus cancel, xz plus xz minus cancel, yz plus yz minus cancel. So what we will get? 0 divided by a, that means 0. Hence proved. Okay, so थोड़ा lengthy है but easy, इतना hard नहीं है. Just you have to find the terms and then finally we have to put the value. Okay, so we have discussed some kind of sums in this video lesson. I hope you will be able to understand. Any doubt, कुछ भी doubt हो, do message me and let me know. Okay, thank you.